I am really exhausted today, but I decided that I needed I needed a pair of monitor speakers for when I'm going to start learning production again. So I got this one from Best Buy. Okay, so open it up. I think they're the perfect size for me because they're not too big and they're not too small. I hope. We'll see what happens when I open it up. Alright. Okay. I do have an M audio keyboard. Let's work on this with that. These are instructions. Okay, I'm gonna take this out now. Oh, that's good. That comes out like that. Ooh, they're so cute. They're perfect. That's what I need because I don't need anything big. They are perfect. What a perfect size for me. The other thing is I need a new printer. My printer is pretty big, so it takes up a lot of room on my desk. Okay. They are tiny and they are cute. Yay! I like them. Now, the next time I show up with these, it's gonna be how they sound. So we'll see. Awesome. Great. Anyways, that's my post for today. I'm super duper tired. Have an amazing, today's what, Wednesday? Have an amazing Wednesday. Bye!